If you want to have study abroad experience with minimal financial risks and decent return on investment, then Europe is already one of the popular choices for international students.
Factors to decide if you should go for study abroad and if so where include first, managing your finances, second, study expectations from the place, and third, the future career opportunities. When two of these three factors are extremely comparative, the third ultimately becomes the differentiator. For reference, here we'll try to compare top 5 popular study abroad destinations. First being the UK, then US, Canada, Australia, and in the fifth position, we'll try to group popular European countries as Europe. And if you compare their average tuition costs for graduate studies, you'll find Europe at the last position. This is because education from many public universities in Europe is very popular amongst international students. And public universities cost significantly less. But this doesn't mean that education in general is cheaper in Europe. Of course not. It depends on the university and the type of program you are applying for. But in general, the average tuition cost to study in Europe is lesser because public universities are more popular here. Okay, on financial perspective, European university seems to be more attractive. But what about overall study experience? Can you expect to experience similar things here? Well, this of course depends on what are you looking for. Are you looking for something familiar or an entirely new experience? If the answer here is a new experience, then Europe is definitely the place for you. Because it's packed with many diverse cultures, and because of free mobility, there is a high chance that you might come across big international community quite often. Now that I have established a point regarding why you should come to Europe for your study abroad experience, what about once you have finished with your studies? Can you find a good career here? Well, the answer here is yes again. But there are some conditions applied. As you know, many European countries are primarily non-English speaking ones, except for Ireland and the UK of course. But this creates a linguistic barrier while looking for a job opportunity. Of course, there are countries like Netherlands and Belgium where the majority of population is very fluent in English and also the job market is quite open. But in general, it is advisable to expect to learn a new European language while studying in Europe. If that cultural aspect of your study is covered, then the opportunities from here are quite comparable to that of other popular study destinations. I hope this helps in making your decision easier. If it does, then I'm just going to repeat the same old thing. Like this video. If you have some more questions, post them in the comment section. And thank you for watching, and hopefully see you in the next one too.